In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Euhomy ice maker machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your Euhomy ice maker isn't functioning properly, here's a few different ways how we can fix this. So some of the common issues is the ice maker not turning on. So some of the possible causes is faulty power socket, damaged power cord, or internal electrical issue inside the unit. For solutions, check the power outlet, so plug another device like a phone charger into the outlet to ensure it's working. Inspect the power cord, so look for any visible damage or fraying. If damaged, replace the cord. From there, reset the ice maker. So unplug the machine, drain any remaining water from the reservoir, clean the metal tubes inside with a soft cloth. Plug the machine back in, press and hold the power button for 10 to 12 seconds, then let it rest for 30 minutes before turning it back on. Now, if your ice maker isn't producing ice, some of the possible causes is full ice bucket, empty water reservoir, clogged water line, or faulty sensor. The solution to fix this is check the ice basket. If it's full, remove some of the ice to allow new ice to form. Fill the water reservoir, so ensure there's enough water for ice production. Inspect the water line, look for clogs or mineral buildup, clean with a mixture of lemon juice and vinegar if necessary. Clean the sensors, so wipe any debris off the sensors to ensure accurate readings. Now, if we've got E2 error codes displayed, this could indicate a water supply issue. So check the water supply line, ensure it's not blocked or kinked, inspect the water reservoir, make sure it's filled to the appropriate level, and examine the water inlet valve. So look for any blockages or malfunctions. And now, if we've got the issue of ice not injecting, some of the possible causes could be is ice buildup or dirty or clogged components. Turn off the ice maker, allow any ice buildup to melt, and clean internal components to fix this. So use water, lemon or lemon water and vinegar to flush the tubes and remove debris.